Hello everybody and welcome to the crypto session brief. This is Wednesday the 9th of November 2022. It's been a bit of a bloodbath across crypto markets over the past 24 hours. Pretty much everything has been getting smashed, to put it politely. Bitcoin posted new lows. It's been a while since we were back dancing around these levels, and all the talk was about whether or not we could see a break below the lows of the year, basically that mid-June low. We got that yesterday, albeit we did see a bounce. Charlie, one of the traders on the desk, did post inside the chat that the new low did close out $2 billion worth in leverage long. And that's why we might have seen that bounce. You've seen the wipe out of all the longs in this region here, and then a bounce back higher. But again, the selling has started once more today, and bears look to be looking to take advantage of this opportunity. Now we've broken that low to try and get us below that level once again. So you can see here the 628 area, a daily close below there, and signs will be looking pretty ominous, and we'll be targeting moves probably down into the 14,000 regions. Ethereum also basically wiped out its entire gains from the recent breakout. We talked about that technical breakout. We got stuck around 1700, and then you can see just that huge drop off. The crypto's been really volatile over the past 24 hours. We're now trading around 500 points lower on Ethereum. In percentage terms, is quite significant, more than 30% move to the downside, almost a 30% move to the downside, I should say. So now we're trading at around 1200, just above. I mean, we've broken below the range lows from that important 1280 handle, I would say, and now we're back in the region that we were trading in for a short while after the crash itself in July, and you can see there. During that period, it took a while until we got back out. So now we're in there. Let's see if the bulls will look to get a strong daily close back within this region and keep us below. As I said, everything's been moving lower despite Ripple not generally having correlation tendencies to the rest of the crypto world. Ripple has also been selling off. It broke out of a key support level and now trading substantially low. You can see we did have a sizable bounce, but again, so far today we've been looking to push it lower again into the 0.3345. So certainly been a good 24 hours for crypto bears. Last but not least, Litecoin, which is now fully faded its entire spike higher after that breakout. You can see now trading at levels almost well, we were earlier on. We've seen a bounce over the past hour or so of trade. Where do we go from here? You can see overhead 60 is pretty key. We've reversed into that, but the rejection off there, so that's going to be a key level overhead. Bears will be looking to keep a lid on it around there, and also looking to push us lower, probably into around the 54 region, I would suggest, which is where we saw the bounce so far today. You can see a bit of resistance and support, a bit of price interaction around that level in recent times. That's it from my end. Keep your eyes peeled on any further news developments. We've been posting them inside the chat room. Until next time, I wish you all the best with your trading. Take care, everybody, and bye for now.